Whoa, good morning, guys. I hope you guys are having a great Friday. It's actually pretty insane here today, guys. The market's been all over the place. We're up, we're down, we're sideways. Honestly, though, we are falling down a little bit more. Let me find... Yep, there's the PPI data right there. So the PPI data actually came in a little bit hotter than expected, which is not necessarily too good here. The forecast was 0.3. We came in at 0.3, but it's not like we're really moving up or down. You can see it's been 0.3 for the past 3 readings. It's almost like the PPI data is almost stuck in a way. But yeah, it caused the SPY to fall down, and it's definitely not the best news, to start the day with. So there's a few things that I'm looking at here with the S&P 500, and the main thing that I'm really seeing is pretty much that the PPI data, it obviously it had an impact today, right? A pretty big impact. But here's what I'm looking at more than that, is the big channel that we've been in on the SPY here now for quite a while. If we go out to the 15-minute chart here, you should be able to see the channel here. It looks pretty good. We've had lots of bounces off of this, and again this morning we bounced like right off of the channel once again. So that's pretty good to see, right around 392. Looking pretty good. Keisha said, I can't see your screen, but then there you go. Okay. Hey, I'm glad it fixed. Maybe it lagged or something. I will say, when I first started the stream, well, when I first, started it as in, like, got here, like, right as the market opened, there was no talking in the chat, but then out of nowhere, it all just popped up for me in the chat. So I don't know if something's lagging or what's going on, but hopefully it's fixed and we're all good. Hopefully we are all good on that front. But yeah, it looks like we're bouncing up off of this bottom trend line here still, and it looks like SPY might hold. Like, look at this on the 5-minute. We're now going green, actually, which is a stark contrast to that PPI data drop that we saw there. Xbox says, what do you call a frozen bear claw? A burr claw. Oh, I'm gonna go hunt me some burrs. Oh, man. Hey, good morning, Marty. Thanks for joining up today. Man, so you locked in on MLCO, Marty, didn't you? Man, we talked about this one last night because you did so well with it. Talked about it on last night's video. That's badass, Marty. I mean, I'm really glad you were able to kill it on that one. It's awesome. Great stuff. It was so corny, it's funny, Keisha says. Yeah, I agree. I agree. So corny, it's funny. Netflix, Keisha says, and Xbox says, Tesla, I heard they're shutting down in China. Yes, they actually are. They're shutting down their Shanghai factory. I'm not sure if they're shutting it down completely or if they're just, maybe like reallocating some of that work to a different country, or if they legitimately are just shutting it down. Let's see, let's go find the news though. Tesla Shanghai factory. More rumors. I thought they really were. Yeah, here we go. They're gonna shorten their shift, delay hiring. RuneScape keeps coming up. I haven't played that game in a couple months now. Yeah, I remember hearing that news where they were gonna cut production at the factory, but yeah, I guess they're just gonna cut production. If they shut that thing down, I would imagine there'd be some bad drops on that stock. Oh, wow, you kept one, Marty. Nice. He kept an MLCO. Very nice, Marty. Good stuff. Coming down today a little bit, but who knows? Maybe it'll pop back up for you again. I will say, Marty, I think you picked a good time to cut it. I don't know how much more it could go up, but I think you picked a good time there, so good trade. Great trade overall. All right. Xbox says, I figured the stock price would drop. Oh, gotcha, Xbox. Okay. It's pretty crazy. I figured it would drop too. Just it hasn't. Well, it was a couple days ago. Maybe that's why we saw some bad intraday moves and stuff. That could be part of the reason. Hmm. All right. Tesla's not actually doing too bad today. It's actually coming back up, almost back up to pre-market highs now, actually. Having a very good move back. We'll take that. Come on, Tesla. Keep doing this for us. That would make us very happy. Ugh. Well, good old 3M here. Not really doing too much. What about DraftKings? Oh. DraftKings. Come on. That's too bad. Yeah, it's too bad for good old DraftKings here. Hopefully they can hold up a little bit more. Please hold up, DraftKings. We're trying here. We're trying. DraftKings is like, quit putting the pressure on us. We're just a growth stock. I'm sorry, DraftKings. I'll go look at Apple. We'll go look at them instead. Yeah, Apple had a big drop this morning, though. That's actually not good to see. That's a pretty big one. 144 all the way down to 141. Wow. Definitely not the best thing to see there. Dang. Yeah, not good. Let's go see my momentum scanner real quick. I think we're now live on the scanner. Let me go grab that real quick. On the Discord. There we go. It's calling out the Tesla calls. Uh-oh. Whoa, look at Tessie go, though. Maybe it's right. Tesla was one of the hotter stocks this morning, I will say. I know they have that bad news lingering, but man, their stock's still going. Keisha says Netflix is up almost 4%. Holy jeez, it is. Man, Netflix is one of the better setups here. I like that little bounce. I like how we're breaking out now above 320. I mean, we're having a great day with Netflix. There we go. There we go. We'll take that. Great movement from them. Okay. How's good old Moderna mRNA? Oh, darn it. I was hoping they'd be going up. Maybe Disney's up with Netflix. Disney's trying to run up there, guys. Watch for Disney. That could be pretty big, I think, if Disney starts breaking back to the upside. You're getting Disney right now at a great price if you picked up that stock. One of the best prices you can get it at, actually. Yeah, I figured that would have dropped on Tesla, too. I can't believe it held up, actually. Held up very well, somehow. But there we go. Tesla just broke the pre-market high, guys, at 177. Let's go. Let's maybe get that breakout going. Come on, guys. Let's go. Let's push this thing up. Hopefully you guys are trading this up from earlier in the morning, if you are. DraftKings, Netflix. Yeah, Netflix seems like the one to trade today. I mean, this thing is hot. I don't know how much more it can keep going, but it just started breaking out here a second ago. And I would think it could keep going up. Yeah, Marty, I would say Disney for the long term. Yeah, I think that looks great. One of the better pickups, in my opinion, would be Disney at this price. This is one of the better prices, better pickups, better companies you can get low. Has a huge options contract at the 80 strike call. for January 20th of 2023, and we're bouncing right off support again. So there is a pretty big fear, though. You know, like if you could end up falling down and falling under this and getting crushed, but I do feel like that overall it's looking pretty hot, and we could end up, you know, getting a good move back to the upside here. So I like it as far as that goes. Yeah, I do like it as far as that goes, but the support looks pretty decent. Like if you fall under this, you could cut really, really quickly. Or if we hold, you just hold for a very good gain, nice risk reward. I think that this is one of the better times to buy it. I will say though, the market makes it hard. It probably won't just bounce up here. I bet it'll have like a fake out or something before it moves back up. There's Amazon also down around the low of the year. Talk about another one that I really like. Marty says he picked up 3 shares of Disney at open. Nice. Nice stuff, Marty. I think that's a really smart thing to do. Yeah, that's really smart. Xbox says, I want to see Amazon hold up over 90. Yeah, that'd be nice if it did. It's getting close. Let's look at that on like a 1-hour chart. Yeah, 90 is pretty much where I have this resistance. So, yeah, if we could get back up above there and hold, that would be nice. Nathan says SP for Tesla. Let's see, the SP. I guess you mean support, right? Support? Man, there's a big one at 170. Yeah, I'd say like 170 is a pretty big support, and then under that, 166 is going to be the next main one. But 170 is huge in the short term. That's actually a very huge level to watch. Looking good. Looks pretty good. All right, back to the momentum scanner here. Here we go. Oh, you meant strike price for Tesla. I see. I mean, if you're doing a short-term trade, I'd probably go with like the 177 strike or the 180 strike. Probably stick somewhere in that range if I was going to trade the short term. Now, if I was going to buy Tesla and hold it right now for a while, I'd probably want to get like the 165 strike or something like that. But I will say it's probably overly expensive for that 165 strike. Let me go check out how much that is. For like an April contract on Tesla, the 165 strike call, you're looking, well, you can't get 165, but you're looking at like $3,300 for the 166.67 strike. Weird numbers there, but 166.67. Interesting. $3,300 though. I don't know. I hate it when contracts are priced like that. Just not a fan. A little bit overpriced there. But Tesla can move a lot. It definitely can move a lot. That's what it's got going. And look at it today. I mean, look at that movement there. That is beautiful. Beautiful. The short-term Tesla options aren't as bad. Like if you go out to the strikes expiring next week, now you're talking, you could get like the 177.50 strike for like $800. That sounds a lot better. Way better. Look at that momentum today though, guys. That is awesome. Good job, or good job, Tesla. I was about to say, look at Chewy going up too, 6%. Chewy, Netflix, Tesla, and Ericsson are at the top of my watch list today. Square's up there too, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, Square. Or should I call you Block? I don't know, whichever one they want to call you. It don't matter to me, Square. We're not judging you. Alrighty, though. Back to the momentum plays here. Let's see what we got. Calling out the Tesla calls still. Also Square calls and Shopify calls. SHOP. Very nice day. Up 2.5%. We'll take that. The SPY is on its way back. I noticed that even though SPY isn't necessarily breaking out above yesterday too much, a lot of these growth stocks are. Like, they are still running up in a big way, which is nice. Now, there are a lot of stocks running down as well. Like, if we look at Coinbase, they are down today. Walmart's actually in the red. Lucid. LCID is down again. Beyond Meat. Neo's down. The airlines are falling. Starbucks or Pumpkin Spice for Sean is down. Yeah, we're seeing a lot of crazy movement here in the stock market. But to the upside, you know, we have Asana, Tesla, Square, TUI. I mean, there's a lot of stocks running up in a good way, which is amazing. Good stuff to see. Crazy stuff, though, today. Look at Chewy all the way up there. They had those good earnings last night. That's good to see with them. Kind of staying in this little range here, which is cool to see. See it on, like, the 15-minute chart. Yeah, not bad at all. Running up well, up to 45.50. Oh, you have no day trades left. Yeah, it did, Keisha. It did. It bounced right off of there. Meta sticking here. Senhall says they purchased the 180 call last week on Tesla. Oh, I don't know if it'll go. You purchased it last week, but what's the Senhall, like, when's your expiration, though? That's a big question there. Ha, wow. Marty bought Tesla yesterday at 170. He had a buy order and forgot about it. That's insane, Marty. That's not good. I hope you don't have a lot of orders out there like that you forgot. Hey, if you guys are liking the stream, don't forget to smash that like button today. That really does help us out, and yeah, it's crazy. Think Lucid might come back up. LCID, let's see. I don't think so. You know, Lucid is rough right now. I don't think it could come back up, honestly. Wow, look at Lucid there. RIVN. Not bad. Palantir, right around $7 a share. Okay. Good stuff, Palantir. Look at that 1 hour chart. $7, not bad. Hopefully it bounces back up. Palantir would be one I like back up a little bit better than Lucid right now. I think that would be a little bit better of a trade right now. If you're looking for a growth stock to pop up, I think this one might be a pretty cool one to watch. Sentinel says my expiration date on Tesla is January 19th of 2024. Whoa, Senhal. That is insane. You bought a Tesla 2024 180 strike call? That might not be bad. I mean, since you got so much time. Let me check that out, the price on that thing. I'm sure that thing's costing a lot, huh? Yeah, that's $4,700 a contract right now. That's insane. I would say looks pretty good, honestly. I mean, Tesla's a tough stock. You know, it's one of the tougher stocks out there. In my opinion, Tesla will probably end up falling down towards like 140 or something, you know? Probably something like 140. So if that does happen, obviously that strike will get hurt there in the short term, but you have so much time. I mean, man, I would think you have enough time for it to come back. I'm trying to like map out here like we had some movement. Like what could possibly go on? I don't know, you know? I mean, a year goes by quicker than you think it does. You know, that's the thing. That's a very tough one there. I like the trade. I like that you have time on it. I'm not sure Tesla can come back within a year to make you profitable or not. I sure hope it can, but man, a year's worth of movement goes by quicker than you think. That is a very good strike and expiration, though. You know, if you like it to the upside, I think you're in as long as you're comfortable with it. Looking good, Sen Hall. I hope Tesla keeps popping up for you here, honestly. It's been a long time for them, and they've been unveiling these semi-trucks and stuff like that. I was really thinking that they'd be doing a lot better than they are, but I guess it is what it is. But hey, don't forget, guys, if you're liking the stream, smash the like button. You know, we're having a pretty good Friday. Nice end of the week here. A lot of growth stocks popping up, which is great for us. And, man, I love these growth stocks. Good to see them popping like this. They are starting to slow down a little bit, but that's okay. You know, I mean, they can't go up all morning, right? And a lot of these babies have popped quite a bit. But like I said, they are starting to slow down a little bit more now. And it looks like SPY is actually turning over a little bit more, too. LVS. Asana. Asana's pretty good, up 1.05%. .05%, not too bad. DoorDash is up 1.43%. Okay, Boeing's looking actually pretty good today, guys, compared to a lot of other setups I'm seeing. I really like the one on Boeing here. Holding its ground well, looking okay. I like how Boeing is extending back up right here. I think that's a pretty good sign. Pretty good sign. The other airlines are kind of falling off, though, so that does worry me with Boeing a little bit. Like, if these other airlines really fall, it's not going to be good. Boeing, not too bad. What about Rivian here? RIVN, not bad either, 0.8%. I'm glad to see these stocks up. It's just, here's a few down. XPEV's actually down 4%. Not good. AMD's actually falling off. Whoa. Nvidia's down a little bit, but AMD is really off. What happened? Wow, AMD. 68.75, okay. Palantir's one of my favorite setups today. I don't know if you guys are noticing that either, but it's been looking pretty good here this week, in my opinion. Let's maybe see a little trend line, get a trend line going here. Maybe we can, like, pop out of this. Well, I'm curious. I'm curious what we're going to do here. Good old Palantir, though. Not too bad. GameStop, GME, turning over. What about Square? Man, some of these stocks are hot today. They're just like, they were hot, but then they're all just slowed down, you know? It's kind of the issue with them here. Trying to find a good momentum play, but everything's just slowing up. Whoa, Walmart. Oh, Keisha, I remember that. Yeah, I guess you were just a little bit early on Walmart. Damn. Walmart's been insane, though, on the weekly, on the daily even. Wow. That was getting so overextended there. What a good drop back. That's good to see with Walmart. Walmart's a tough one, you know. That thing, Walmart was one of the best stocks of the year. I mean, this thing really flew up this year. Well, I shouldn't say that, I guess, because it fell off so much at one point, but that recovery up was insane on Walmart. Target's looking rough, though. I kind of like Target, but man, it's just not looking very good right here at the moment. It's definitely low, which is good. Consumer confidence is about to come out in 30 seconds, Rick Sanchez says. Good eye, Rick. Let's go look at it on the SPY. Good looks, good looks. Let's see the volatility. There it is. Oh, there it is. Holy shit. Holy shit, Rick. All right. Come on, let's go, SPY. Let's get back up there. I'll be right back, guys. I'm going to go grab a water really quick. That's awesome. Let's see how it goes. Don't go anywhere, though, guys. I'll be right back. Let's hope this SPY gets back in the green, huh? That was a pretty cool candle to see at first. Oh, what happened? It went red on us? No. That's not good to see. There we go, baby. Back to the upside. That's nice to see. Come on. Let's go green. Let's go green. Target. She's in for an expiration next week. But if it breaks 153, she's getting out. Okay. Moderna, how high do I think it can go? You know, I think Moderna could be crazy. Honestly, this daily chart here has been nuts with Moderna. If we start breaking out of this channel back to the upside, Moderna could be pretty good, I think, Marty. I would say I would watch for 200, you know, in the shorter term, but even higher than that, I'd say. Huh. Gotta find the momentum here again, though. Boeing calls are looking hot on the screener. Yeah, Boeing's not bad at all. 1.94%. Moving back to the upside again here. You know, Boeing's one of the stocks actually extending up here, which is nice. One of the only stocks extending up. Okay. Let's go back to the SPY. Maybe we're breaking back up again. There we go. Keep going. Keep running up for us. There we go, SPY. That's always good. Let's go see what we got here on CNBC. Whoa, for the first time in his presidency, Biden's approval rating on Main Street goes up. On Main Street? What is Main Street? Okay, it doesn't tell me what Main Street is. I guess it's a CNBC and SurveyMonkey survey. Well, here it is. I don't know. What the? Arizona senator leaves Democratic Party? Interesting. Ooh, Sam Bankman-Fried agrees to testify at U.S. House hearing on Tuesday. That's not good. Marijuana industry sees sales slow down after pandemic surge? What? Well, probably just because everybody was staying home. I mean, you know. Hey, I'm just going to stay home and light this baby up. That's I bet that's what a lot of people said. Oh, that's funny. How's TSM? Ooh. Check out Taiwan Semiconductors, guys. They've had this good news with Apple lately. I think this company is going to be underrated here in the short term. I don't know if you guys saw the news with Apple or not, but Apple's going to be using a lot of TSM's chips. So they're going to have Taiwan Semiconductors pretty much make the chips for them with their factories and their foundries and everything like that. Wow, TSM looking really good though. Even intraday, guys, TSM looks hot. I would definitely recommend checking out TSM right now. And Netflix. They're both running. Shopify's up too. Let's go. These stocks are continuing their nice surge back up. Tesla is actually about to break out also. Just all across the board, it's looking hot here this morning. Square. Shopify. Gotta love it. Gotta love that. Shopify. Okay. Beautiful Shopify. Whoa, look at Ford. Ford stock's really going up now. That's insane. That is insane there. Some of these intraday pops up today have been so good. Man. Marty says he's got Moderna. Whoa, Marty. You're talking a lot about Moderna there. Marty says during COVID he did shit he doesn't realize he did. Alright, Xbox is on his way home. I feel you there, Xbox. Rick says, I think China will be friendlier than expected. Buffett would not have bought if he didn't know the invasion was off the table. He always knows. Yeah, you're right, Rick. I mean, he probably does always know. He's only been wrong a few times, you know. I remember he took a hit on some airlines once, and then they all came right back. Like a day later. Or a few days later. That was bad for him. But for the most part, yeah, he's been pretty good. Palantir's still in our little range we drew up. Of course, it's not going to break out like I'd hoped. Sounds cool. Let's go back to the news. Go back to the news here. Santa Claus rallies are a meaningful trend. Of course they are, right? Here we go with TSMC. I really think that stock is going to be underrated. Sorry, guys. Man, TSMC. What happened to it? Oh, it's just TSM, sorry. My issue is just how much they're up in the short term. Like today, like the past month, they're just up so much. Man, I will say though, that's worth the risk. Here's what I really like. Look at how they went flat right here in 2020. They're in that same exact spot and they're going flat again. Literally at the same exact spot. So I'm curious, like, if we'll get a nice pop back up once again here. I think that there's a possibility of it happening, and I like it, especially with the Apple stuff going on. That is just amazing here for TSM. They reported that revenue this morning, so keep in mind they didn't report earnings now. They just reported revenue. Maybe it was earnings on a foreign market, but yeah, very well could have been actually. It could have been. Man, AMD's still looking rough though. What about Tesla? Is Tessie still okay? Oh, come on, Tessie. I thought we were gonna finally break that like quadruple top we've had up here. Look at that. It's like at 179 to 180. This thing is just like stuck. Just totally stuck. Come on, Tesla. I know you can move up. Okay. Good old Tessie. Square's not looking too bad either intraday, actually. Where's all my technical guys at? I got some intraday drawings here. Okay. We pretty much got something like this going on. Let's see the low to the high. SPCE, what about FSLR? FSLR is not too bad. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Guys, I think we might have found something here. Oh, never mind. Once I saw that daily, I lied, but man, that recent drop and that explosion back up today seems very nice. I mean, maybe it could still be a play today for you, but I don't know. Looks pretty tough now. Netflix looks good. Shopify, okay. Shopify, come on, pop up. Let's get above 40. I mean, it's holding up. I feel like Shopify is a pretty safe move, maybe up to like 40.75 today. $40.75, not bad for Shop. Oh my gosh. Get out of here. Oh no. I don't even want to say what they said there. Sorry for that, guys. Be careful of those scammers, guys. They are all over the place. I really hope that you guys are careful with scammers out there because they are everywhere in the modern world. I can't believe how much they're on everything. You know, they're on Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, TikTok. Pick a random forum like Reddit or even just anything. They're on there. It's crazy. Guys, be careful with those scams out there. Don't listen to them. You know, if it's anything on like WhatsApp or WeChat or anything like that, do not trust it. Do not trust it if you see it on any of those weird websites. Very important. Crude oil, though, is actually looking pretty good here. I like crude oil. Let's see. Wow, crude's not looking the best, is it? Crude actually is starting to break below a big support, guys. There was a big support on crude at 76. I'm surprised that we're down below this the way it is. That's actually not good. Starting to fall off in a pretty crappy way there. Definitely not what you want. Verizon. Yeah, that is a pretty good stock today, isn't it? Someone mentioned that one earlier, too. Oh, it was Xbox. Oh, Xbox mentioned it again. I see. He also mentioned AT&T and T-Mobile. Whoa, T-Mobile. What's going on with this one? Oh, okay. Good. What about AT&T? Are they at the high of the year? Ah, not bad, actually. Okay. Not too bad. Keisha says Costco's bouncing off support. Same thing with Pins or Pinterest. Yeah, Costco actually is. I actually have that same support on the chart, which is cool. Okay. Yeah, I like that, Keisha. That's actually a good bounce. That might be a good little buy and hold here for a couple days. I'm not sure how high we could end up popping back up, but I feel like for a couple days, Costco could be pretty good. Now, Pinterest worries me. Pinterest is kind of scary. Poor Pinterest stock has been all over the place. Hasn't been able to really do much at all. Holy. Man, I don't know if you guys follow baseball at all, but I'll tell you, the Mets are something else here. Yeah, the Mets are insane right now. They just keep buying everybody and doing this crazy stuff. They keep purchasing every pitcher I see on the market. Let's see. Rick says the dollar's... Whoa, that dollar is looking bullish, isn't it? That's actually really bad. That's bad. That means SPY's going down. Uh-oh. Yeah, you're right, Rick. I agree. And this is not good, actually. Not good at all. Yep. Yeah, SPY's looking rough, guys. It's just not able to really break out or get much going here. We are having some stocks move, but yeah, the SPY itself is just not really doing much. Very choppy again. I will say, like, Tesla looks good. Chewy looks good. Netflix looks good. So, like, there's a few stocks that are looking good. It's just... It's okay if SPY's bad. You know, we could always trade that down or something. Oh, Square. Don't be doing this to us now, Square. Man, Square on the daily chart looks really good to me. I really like that. That setup here. Looking nice. Looking nice. What about Meta? Oh, Meta look brutal. Looks brutal. Debo's coming. No! No, not Debo, Rick. Get him out of here. I'm going to hide. I gotta take my chain off. Hang on. Debo. That's funny. We were referencing Friday in the Discord chat for anybody who doesn't know. Hopefully you guys have seen that movie Friday. It's pretty good. I know Rick has, obviously, but it has Ice Cube and man, I can't remember the other guy, but he's funny. The other guy, the other guy's funnier to me than Ice Cube. Ice Cube isn't really even the best character in my opinion. I like that other guy a lot, whatever his name is. Love that movie. Marty says Up Health went from 23 cents to $4 this morning. I haven't even heard of them, Marty. Up Health. UPH. Oh, I think I heard about this just because somebody mentioned it earlier, but oh, it's split. Marty, it had a split. It actually had a reverse split, which sucks. So, not good, Marty. Yeah, Marty, that's actually that is a reverse split, and that is a bad thing. Do you know what reverse splits are, Marty? Well, I guess I should just explain it for anyone who doesn't know, but so pretty much if a company splits, guys, usually you think of companies splitting like Apple, for example. Apple will be doing fantastic, they'll be running to the upside in a big way, and they'll be running up and up and up, and then they'll split. Here's the Apple split. They had a 4-for-1 split, and it made their price go lower. So they went from like 300 a share or like 400 a share down to 100 a share, for example. Now, the issue with reverse splits is you get stuff like UPH, like we're talking about with UpHealth. Pretty much, they are falling so much that they have trouble staying listed on the NYSE, on the New York Stock Exchange, because their stock got so low. So they do something called reverse splitting, where instead of adding shares, well, I might confuse myself a little bit, but instead of like adding shares like a normal split, and lowering your price, you're like taking shares away and you're going to a higher price, if that makes sense. So instead of it being like a $400 stock dropping down to 100 and then you getting more shares, you're going to get less shares and the price is going to go up. So if you own 100 shares at $1, that means you have $100 invested. So what's going to happen is it's going to go from your 100 shares at $1 are going to turn into 10 shares at $10, for example. So that's pretty much what's going to happen. The stock's going to go up, and then your position is going to also, like, you're going to get less shares at a higher price, is essentially what that means. And it's not good. Companies do that when they're having problems staying on the market, stuff like that. Because on the New York Stock Exchange, you have to stay above $1, I think it is, for a certain amount of time. And if you start falling under that, it's not good. Investopedia, here we go. Yeah, and like it says here, they're reducing their shares. So instead of you getting more shares, you're getting less. It's a little bit, it's obviously like the opposite of a regular split. So here's the reasons. Yeah, like I said, they want to prevent from being delisted. That's the main thing. Yeah, I guess that makes sense too. Like if the stock falls a lot and goes under $1, people are going to be like, that's a shitty company. But if you keep the stock up, it does make it look better. I will say though, guys, you do not want to be touching anything that reverse splits, okay? If you guys could take one thing of advice from me, do not play anything that reverse splits unless you're playing an ETF or something like that where you know how to follow those ETFs. For example, like VXX. Like for example, if that thing reverse splits, that's a little bit different. Or like if UVXY reverse splits, that's different than if like Apple reverse splits, or in this case, UpHealth or whatever. Keep in mind, I'm saying reverse splitting, not just splitting. Regular splitting would be fine. That'd be perfect. You know, that'd be actually a good thing in a lot of cases, but not in some. Xbox says it's Smokey, played by Chris Tucker. Yo, okay, Chris Tucker from Rush Hour, Rick says. Okay. I see. Marty says, so if Carvana keeps going down, will it do something like that? It very well could, Marty. If Carvana kept falling, it very well could start doing a reverse split and other things like that. 100%, yeah. It definitely could. But here's what I'll say. Whenever you have something as brutal as Carvana's been, it might not reverse split just because the company might go into bankruptcy or somebody might buy them or they might explore a merger or something like that. But in UpHealth's case, yeah, they're trying their hardest to keep that share price higher, so they're doing the reverse split. I don't think Carvana will reverse split myself. I don't see that happening. It could. It could, but I don't see it happening myself. I would guess that they just go bankrupt or get a big loan or a merger or something like that happens. Who knows? Maybe they'll get to merge with like Hertz or something. That'd be interesting. I could kind of see something like that going on. Maybe Hertz or hell, even like Ford or somebody. Maybe I don't know. I could see something though. Yeah, that's interesting though with Carvana. Now you got me wanting to speculate on that. Marty says, is Carvana something you should consider buying? Marty, I would just say no. It's not. It's not worth it to me. Very rough. I love cars. I love vehicles. I wish that Carvana would do better, but it's just not gonna work. Xbox says, is Hertz bigger? Well, Hertz is actually more of like a rental company, whereas Carvana sells cars. So, yeah, Hertz is bigger. I'd say way bigger. I would think. I'd almost put my life on that one. Watch me be wrong. I bet at its peak, Carvana was bigger in market cap. Get out of here, 69. Get out of here. No. None of that for you. No fun. No XXX fun for you. Not today. Let's go back to the SPY again real quick. Let's see. Sitting around 395. Looking all right. Let me go grab a quick drink, guys. I will be right back, though. Just going to grab a quick drink. I'll be right back. Maybe get your buddies to turn the stream on, too. Let's boost the numbers up here. I'll be right back, guys. Don't go anywhere. Be right back. I'm waiting for Xbox to get home here. Alrighty, guys. Sorry about that. Spy's looking pretty good, though. Xbox says he's home now. Okay, Xbox. There you go. Glad to see you there. Bill W says, good morning, everyone. Had a meeting. Sorry I missed everything. No problem, Bill, you know. No problem at all, you know. People get busy. It happens. I understand. 100% Bill, but thanks for being here anyways. You still popped in, which is nice to see. Bye, Felicia, Keisha said earlier. Oh, yeah. Let me know what stocks you guys see running, though. Let me go to my, Whoa, guys. Carvana got paused. Carvana got paused due to volatility. You're kidding me. It's halted, right? Wow, I want to see. Ugh. Man, was that a circuit breaker? What did that hit? Volume? I guess it hit the volume one. Let's see. CVNA. Ah, it is circuit breaker. Yeah, this is stupid. If the stock is down as much as Carvana is in 1 year, they should turn upside circuit breakers off. Because, like, I mean, that's just dumb. Like, you're kidding me. Like, the stock's only up 10%, dude. It's terrible. It'll go bankrupt, no doubt. Someone said in Discord. That's funny. It probably will. Who the hell knows? Xbox says, Tom, don't lie. You weren't after a drink. You had to pee. Oh, shit, Xbox. I wish that was the case. Trust me, no. That was not what was going on. No. I always got to keep blowing my damn nose, Xbox, honestly. I always get bad allergies right now. The pee. Oh, what are we getting into on here? Shit. Oh, that's funny. Marty puts the toilet, dude. Oh my god, you guys are something else. Well, let's find some momentum. Let's go see the, let's go see the bot. Let's see what we're looking at here. Alright, so the bot's calling out some Disney calls. There we go. Told you guys Disney was looking good. Love Disney here. Come on, Disney, let's go. I think this is going to be one of the better stocks here. All right, Roku, 5.22%, looking hot today. Okay. Look at SE from yesterday, guys. There was a big play on SE yesterday. 1.184 million put into those calls yesterday. Wow, that is awesome. That's great. Let me do this and try to go to 5-minute real quick. Where'd it go? I can't find my drawings. Come on. There it is. When I zoom in, it just goes nowhere. Okay. There we go. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Here we go. Making a drawing for some people in Discord here. Yeah, these must smart money plays guys have been very consistent. That is crazy. We still have Chewy to work with though here. How's Tessie? Hey, Tesla's back on the uptrend again. They actually popped above 180. Finally, we broke out above that quadruple top that we had going on. There we go. Yeah, Xbox. You had me laughing, that's for sure. Sometimes with the P, I get a little scared. I'm scared Mike's gonna hear me talking about P and give me a spanking. You know, that's what I'm worried about. Oh, he's gonna be like, don't be talking about P. Oh. He's gonna downgrade my job. Oh, that's funny. Don't forget enter, mention date. Oh, on SE? Yeah, so they entered yesterday on December 8th, 2022. They got the 70 strike calls for January 20th of 2023. It's right here in blue. You guys should actually screenshot this if you want to, keep it going there. Xbox when you gotta go. You gotta go. Yes, that's for sure. Man. I'm gonna do a number 2 all over the SPY right here. I don't know what the hell's going on with it, but come on, SPY. Get back to the upside. It looks kind of like Tesla, how Tesla had like that quadruple top there going on. Kind of like right here on the SPY, like quadruple top. Nice little break. Marty says MLCO is now up 377%. Holy jeez. That is insane. 377%. Holy jeez. Look at that upper trend up there too. Like right at 12, there's a decent little resistance. Watch out for that. Yeah. That's right, Xbox. I'm gonna make the SPY go down. Don't you underestimate me. It'll go down. No, I'm just kidding. It won't go down. It better go up today, damn it. Especially with Tesla and all these stocks doing well. And considering we're kind of like touching on that trend here. You know, we look at that trend here on the SPY. Man, this stuff has me laughing. The P. I always watch these, like, you guys ever watch the police footage of like people getting you know, like police footage of people getting arrested for like DUIs and just weird stuff in general. Sometimes I'll like watch these police footages and the guys like I watched this pro baseball player named Marcell Ozuna. Okay, Marcell Ozuna, he's a pretty popular player. Um he got arrested and got a DWI outside of like a nightclub in like Atlanta a while ago. And he it was so funny. He's telling the cop in his as he got arrested, he's like telling the cop the whole time. He's like I have to pee. But the funny part was he couldn't speak English. So all he did is he kept saying like I got pee. It was it was so funny. He just couldn't speak it and the cop knew what he meant, but like, you know, the cops can't take these people to the bathroom every time, you know. It's like he was like you're going to have to hold it. It was funny. Yeah, the pro baseball player, he got arrested though. He was driving his Mercedes G-Wagon too fast while drunk, of course. Not good. Yeah, but you guys can watch the full thing if you look it up. The Burr Claw. I love the Burr Claw. You got me thinking of the White Claw, the drink. Get those White Claws going. Spy. Moderna came back, did it, Marty? Let's see. It did not come back. Oh, it came back down. I see. I was like, came back? What are you talking about? Yeah, hell, it came back down, that's for sure. Xbox says don't drink those. Trust me, Xbox, I don't. I don't drink them. I'll be honest, they don't sit with me right. Like, they don't upset my stomach necessarily, but they're just not, I think they're, like, too carbonated or something. I don't know. Man, some of the stuff in Discord is just funny. Oh my gosh. Let's see, Triple M. What else has the momentum here? Let's see the bot. SM bot. Whoa, SM bot's calling out a lot now. It's calling out them Tessie calls. Well, it was. Billy's running up too, is it? Okay. Calling out DVN puts? Wow. Zom and Oxy. Whoa. Yeah, these oil plays, guys. Seems like they're on the downtrend now. Might have to get some putas. Or some puts. Damn, I forgot. Is putas a bad word? Zom. What about Logitech. Good old Logitech. How's Kraft again? KHC or Ketchup? Good old Ketchup. Alright, Ketchup. Oh, Xbox, you used to drink Four Locos. Get out of here. Oh, man. Four Locos, that is disgusting, Xbox. Ugh. Man, those things are something else. Wow. Poor guy. Wait, what? They banned Four Locos in Texas? Are you kidding me? Whoa. Really? It's available in 49 states. Uh, are you guys lying to me? Mustang News? Why? Oh, this isn't Mustangs as in, oh. I thought they meant Mustangs in, like, cars, but they don't mean that. Four Loco, man, I'll be honest, I've drank a few of those in my life, and those things were so gross. I don't think you could, like, pay me to drink one of those anymore. Oh, Xbox. Stick with the vodka, man. Stick with the vodka. I'm sure they did, Rick. I mean, I bet they did for a while or something, you know? Dude, that stock is insane, isn't it? MNST. Dude, speaking of the monster, I'll be right back. I might have to go get me one of those. Hang on. Please, dear God, have one in the fridge. Please, dear God, have one in the fridge. I'm coming back. I'm coming. I'm back. Damn it, there's no monsters, guys. Son of a bitch. What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? I'm gonna have to drink a Mountain Dew now. Like, what? That's not good. Yeah, that's not good at all. All right, Spy. Spy's just still staying right here. Get some movement going. Come on. Yeah, monsters. Hey, I love monsters. They're awesome. Xbox says, I've been sober 6 years and I'm keeping the streak alive. Wow, Xbox. Congratulations. Is that, you mean sober from alcohol, right? I would guess that's what you mean. Yeah, this is a little bit rough here with the not having the monster now. Now I'm sad. Now I'm actually sad. So. Oh wow, sober from everything. Wow. Yeah, congratulations, Xbox. That is actually really nice to hear. Yeah, I'm trying to quit the drinking, that's for sure. Not like I'm out here getting drunk all the time or nothing, but you know. I feel like it's just bad for you. I feel like it kind of hinders the workout growth, you know, I feel like it hinders my growth in the gym. It probably does. Wow, you love it, Xbox. Do you like feel better that you're not like drinking and stuff? Like does it help you to be able to like eat more? Do you like get more energy? Do you like do you feel better when you don't do stuff like that? Probably. Tesla's pumping. Holy Jesus, it is. 4.5% on the day now. Wow. Is Carvana back? Are they back? Oh yeah, they dropped. Of course, of course. Who would have guessed, huh? You know, they halted it as soon as it starts going up. Stupid. There we go, though. Tesla's looking okay. Tesla's been brutal this week. Just straight up brutal. Costco's pumping too, Keisha says. Wow, it is. Right off support. We're pretty much right around 470 as well with Costco. And they had earnings there. There we go. Guys, look at that move with Costco. Right off of support, we had earnings going on. Got the nice bounce. This looks pretty good. It's definitely getting overextended on an intraday level, but man, it looks good. Wow, well, that's good to hear, Xbox. Good stuff. Keep it up. You know, keep up the good work. Don't fall back. Don't fall back. Like you said, 6 years, that's a long time. That's a long time, Xbox. Most people who tell me they quit drinking, they're like, hey, I quit drinking. And I'm like, when did you start? And they're like, 2 days ago. Yeah. Normally, that's what I hear. I'm like, oh, that's going to last. But 6 years, you know, that's a long time. Good stuff. Meta materials. Jeez, 28%. What the? Whoa. Somebody was talking to me about this one the other day, and it was supposed to go up, I thought. Like in a big way. Wow, it's just sitting there. Rick Sanchez says BMO Capital maintains outperform on Costco, but they lowered their price target. Well, that's not good. Hey, Marty, it's this stock. It's MMAT. Yeah, it was probably you, Xbox, honestly. Somebody was talking to me about it. I thought they were looking for it to go up this week or something, but it might have been you. Might have been. Yeah, I appreciate you guys joining up today. You know, it's been a pretty long stream. We went an extra 30 minutes here. Not bad. Not too bad. I will say, looking at the market overall today, we've been very slow so far, you know. Very slow on the SPY, but we've had good movers like good old Tessie moving up. We've also had, let's get to my watch list, Chewy, Netflix, Roku, Square, Shopify has been up. But yeah, Tesla has been like the big mover today, in my opinion. Chewy's been pretty good too. CHWY, it still looks good. And it bounced off Keisha's trend line. Yeah, can't forget the trend. Yeah, definitely can't forget the trend. Wow. I'm actually seeing some pretty crazy momentum. Wow, guys, Tesla is really hitting the bot. I mean, the bot is calling out Tesla a lot right now. Yeah, I see why. I see why. Wow. This is nuts here. Let's go. This is pretty good. We'll take that. Great stuff, guys. I appreciate you guys joining up, though. That is awesome. Tangi was talking about it, they said. Okay. That makes sense. Oh, sorry for that, Xbox. Man, that sucks. Hopefully I see you back around, Xbox. You know, I'm glad you were able to do well, though. You know, I'm glad you were able to join up today. I'm glad you were able to get home in a timely manner. That's good. But yeah, it's been a pretty good stream today. You know, lots of stocks are moving. We're getting a lot of movement just across the board in general. Just overall, these stocks are just getting crazy here. You know, it's been I feel like today's been pretty good. You know, we found some good momentum. Overall this week, though, I feel like the market's been very choppy. Of course, we've had some up and down movement, but for the most part, it just hasn't done too much. Like, look at yesterday and the day before. It's just like almost like no movement's been really going on at all down here. Very slight. Pretty much just staying right in this little circle I just drew. So hopefully come next week, we're going to get some bigger movement. Xbox next week, make sure you are ready because, guys, we have Powell next week. We're going to have the CPI data, or the inflation data, I should say, coming out on Tuesday. That's going to be huge, number one, on Tuesday. And then one day later on Wednesday, Powell's going to be speaking, and the Feds are going to give their interest rate decision. And this is going to be huge. The market is expecting 50 basis points, but if they do keep it higher, that'll be insane. Now, the CPI data that comes out the day before that meeting could end up skewing what is being priced in right now. So right now, it looks like there's a 79.4 chance. Sorry, 79.4% chance that we will see a 50 basis point rate hike. 20% chance that we'll see 75 basis points. I'm thinking that we could end up seeing like a bigger move to the upside. So be ready, guys. It's getting crazy out there, and yeah, I feel like we need to start taking some good advantage, especially if Powell does well for us next week. You know, if the SPY starts popping up, great. But I have a weird feeling that SPY has been kind of struggling in this channel we've been in here. I know I've been showing this channel quite a bit lately, and if we end up falling out of this, it will not be good for the market. So Yeah. Hopefully I see you back, Xbox. I'll miss you, that's for sure. You've been one hell of a member in here, so thank you for everything you always do, Xbox. And man, you're even joining up when you're driving home. That's how awesome you've been. So thank you, Xbox. And hey, good luck during the day shift. I hope that you enjoy it better. I don't know how much you enjoyed the night shift, but I hope that the day shift, I hope that you like it. So, but have a good one, guys. I'll talk to you later. As always, I will be in the Discord. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. See ya in a little while. And of course, I will be here live on Monday morning as well. Be ready for the volatility next week, guys. It is going to get crazy. Have a great weekend. I will talk to you later.